6 nights, $35 a night, and we had a whole house. This was our accommodation in Senta, Serbia. Let's go. There's a breezeway between a house and a garage. The entry. That's where the living area is. The kitchen. It's a regular range stove in here. Refrigerator in the corner. Outside is the garden area, which we did not go see because, well, it snowed while we were here. And the bathroom with laundry. This is the one of the 2 sleeping areas. This room has 3 single beds. Some classic Serbian brickwork in the home. This is the living area. I'm 99% sure that's also a hide-a-bed. There's a front outside area. The bedroom. The comfortable mattress. And the closet.
It's a nice big place and it's very comfortable. Very comfortable.
Yeah, we have a lot of room available to us here. It was very good, especially with 3 people, to have a separate bedroom and a separate bedroom. Living room, kitchen, segment the space to be able to do things in areas where somebody's not sleeping. Be nice to see her during the summer. I'm sure the garden's lovely. Would you stay here again?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Yeah, well, absolutely. Thank you to our hosts,
Mariana and Serjan,
who have put out a really nice accommodation for us to stay in. Thank you.